Hello there! Are you craving something sweet, creamy and delicious, but you would like to be simple and very easy to do? Well, today we are making tiramisu, an incredible, easy and irresistible recipe that my mother taught me. I can guarantee you that will be the perfect dessert for all coffee lovers. Picture that. Layers of velvety cream, coffee-soaked ladyfingers, and my secret sprinkle of magic. Stay tuned to the end to find out. So, ready to wipe this Italian masterpiece? Let's start with 8 egg yolks, then sprinkle 200 grams of sugar. Sweet times ahead. Mix the composition until the sugar is completely incorporated and we get a smooth and creamy mixture. Look how beautiful flows the golden blend. Now pour it into a small bowl and give it a cozy spot in the fridge. Why? Because a chill vibe helps the perfect consistency. Ready for next step? Well, let's start by mixing 500 milliliters of whipped cream with 500 grams of mascarpone and mix those two at the same time. This consistency is what we are looking for. Move the whipped cream and mascarpone mixture to a larger bowl and gradually pour the egg yolks mixture can also be added into batches. To incorporate all ingredients, mix with circular motions from top to bottom till the cream is fluffy and homogeneous. Oh, and don't forget our coffee syrup for the ladyfingers. We need 500 milliliters of coffee syrup. For this syrup we need 3 espresso, Italian ones, and cold water to get the 500 milliliters we need. For more intense taste, add 2 tablespoons of sugar. To start building the tiramisu, begin by spreading a thin layer of cream on the bottom of a tray. I used a 25 by 40 cm tray with removable walls. And now, for more intense flavor, we will add the secret ingredient, grated dark chocolate. For the layers, we need 400 grams of ladyfingers. Start by gently soak each ladyfinger in the coffee syrup and put it over the cream until we finish placing the first layer. Divide the remaining cream into parts and add the first part of the cream over the first row of ladyfingers. Add the grated dark chocolate like you are giving your dessert a cozy blanket. An important tip: when you start the second layer of ladyfingers, lay them the other way around from the last layer, like a zigzagging. To create some magic, pour the remaining delicious cream on top and spread it evenly. Now, ready for the grand finale? Sprinkle some amazing cocoa over the last cream layer. This cocoa layer is the characteristic touch of an original Italian tiramisu. Now, pop the tiramisu in the fridge for minimum 4 hours or better yet, overnight. Trust me, the anticipation is so worth it. Ding ding ding! Time's up! Take your tiramisu out of the fridge and gently remove the tray edges. Now, feast your eyes on your creation. But wait, the experience isn't over. There's nothing like sharing the joy of tiramisu. So, snap a pic of your masterpiece and share it with us on comment section or via social media using the hashtag #SabrissimoTiramisu. And remember, if you are craving more culinary inspiration, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you wouldn't miss a single delicious episode. Until next time, enjoy a good slice of tiramisu. See you soon! Hello and welcome back to Sabrissimo. Today we are diving again in the Italian cuisine with the mouth-watering dish of eggplant parmesan, or how the Italians calls it, melanzane alla parmigiana. So, we will start with the marinara sauce. For the marinara sauce, we need a chopped onion, a small hand of chopped basil leaves. For seasoning, we will need salt and the star ingredients, tomato sauce. We heat up the stove, put a large pot in which we will add a little olive oil. When the oil is hot, we add the onion chopped in pieces and the salt and mix it. The salt will soften the onion, and after the onion cooks, pour the tomato sauce, on which we add some grounded pepper for extra flavor. Leave it on low heat for about 30 minutes and the chopped basil leaves at the end to obtain the best marinara sauce. Now let's prepare the eggplant. Take 3 eggplants and remove the spine. We will slice them about half a centimeter thick. To cook them, put some olive oil in the pan and fry the eggplants on both sides. After all the effort, let's take a short break and hit the like and subscribe buttons to stay up to date with my culinary adventures. Now we will assemble the eggplants and prepare them for the oven. To start, we need the sauce that we just cooked. We spread a few spoons of sauce on the tray, followed by some grounded parmesan. Continue by placing the first layer of fried eggplants. Add a generous spread of sauce over the eggplants and continue with another row of parmesan plus a layer of diced mozzarella, and for an extra flavor, add some grounded mozzarella to cover the entire surface. We continue with the next layer of eggplant. Try to match the sizes of the slice for a perfect distribution, and another layer of sauce, parmesan and mozzarella. For the perfect flavor, add fresh basil leaves, and we continue with the new layer of eggplants, sauce, parmesan and mozzarella. One more layer and then the last one. In total, we have 5 layers of eggplant. For the final topping, we add generously parmesan, mozzarella cubes for the perfect bites, plus the grated mozzarella for the perfect crust. For a perfect aroma balance, add few basil leaves. Now, let's bake them. Put in the preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius, 390 Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Look how nicely the mozzarella cubes melted. I wish you could feel the extraordinary smell from my kitchen. I couldn't wait to taste them. Time has passed and the eggplant parmesan with the perfect touch of mozzarella is ready. I also made it a focaccia that goes extraordinarily with the eggplant parmesan. Find the recipe in the description. Let's cut a piece and put it on the plate because my son is very eager to eat this delicious meal. Look how beautiful the melted mozzarella spread, and the sauce smells divine. You can grate some extra parmesan on top if you wish. And our lunch is ready. Let's taste and see how it's turned out. It is delicious and creamy. I like this recipe very much. The combination of melanzane alla parmigiana with focaccia perfectly completes the plate. This is the taste that make me remember the wonderful days spent in Italy. Spaghetti, fresh shrimps and cherry tomatoes, and the light garlic taste, all balanced by a good rye white wine and the fresh chopped parsley. Hello my friends! If you are looking for a super quick and delicious seafood recipe, I have a perfect one just for you. Let's dive in. While the water for spaghetti starts to heat, we will prepare the shrimps. Remove the heads, peel the shell using a fork just like I am doing. And clean the shrimps very well, leaving the tail on for some of them. For a gorgeous flavor, finally chop 3 cloves of garlic and parsley tail to complement the shrimps and the cherry tomatoes. Grate the peel from an organic lemon. This will elevate the taste of the shrimps. Now the pasta water has heated. Add the salt to the water and continue with the sauce. In a roomy pan, add some olive oil and start cooking the shrimps. Add the mosaic peppercorn and the finely chopped garlic and the parsley tail. Now add the cherry tomatoes and some grated chili peppers, which will bring your pasta to another level. Add a pinch of salt and let the shrimps soften for maximum 2 minutes. The garlic, olive oil, chili pepper and tomato blends into a creamy sauce. Finally, add some extra lemon zest and a splash of wine. Turn up the heat to let the alcohol evaporating, leaving behind the grape flavor. When the sauce is almost ready, start cooking the pasta. We will need a very nice al dente spaghetti, so boil based on the recommendation from the package. In my case, the cooking time was 3 minutes in total. So after 2 minutes boil, I add the pasta over the sauce and let it shimmer for 1 minute to absorb all the flavors. Add a bit of pasta water before finishing the emulsion and some fresh chopped parsley. Plate your pasta, creating a nice nest for the shrimps. For a nice plating, arrange the shrimps as you desire and top it off with chopped parsley. This is the moment of truth, a tastement of labor of love. Dig in and savor the exquisite taste of this incredible shrimp spaghetti recipe, which has a hint of wine and the love you put into this dish. Before we sign off, remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to stay up to date with our latest recipe. Thank you for joining us today. Happy cooking!